Yes, my people then. My mommy and my papa, Happy New Year. My friends, my lovely one, Happy New Year. May the year bring una health, bring una powers, bring una freedom. May the year bring we all be peace. Happy New Year, my people. My brother and sister. Happy New Year for my friends, my lovely friends. The one where they can give me bad message, Happy New Year. Two wrong cannot make it right. I love all of you. Before I start my video, my people, I come to talk about my Happy New Year. But I get to go back for the rules and regulation for life. My people, I have been one of them. I know what I'm talking about. I know exactly what did happen. I don't talk, I don't explain. At least my will listen my view. I get video the way concern Anglophone problem. My people, Happy New Year again. Christmas don't pass. Now the enter 2026. Very dangerous year. Before I continue again, Petit Frère, them Happy New Year. My boys, my guys, Happy New Year. We are together, Petit Frère. Petit Frère, we were one spirit, you listen for ground. Petit, when I see the way when I call the wrong commode, my and part of the dance. All man, they're happy, Petit Frère. When I see joyful, when I call Petit Frère. When I put that gun down, Petit. Petit, we are together. I never can give bad advice, Petit. Happy New Year, my boys. You all started saying that go now our boys, now regional brother, I'm picking them. Petit Frère, Happy New Year, Happy Christmas. See the way enjoyment should Petit. Petit Frère, put that gun down. Give chance for Remy and the me enjoy. When I give chance for mommy and papa, me enjoyment take place, Petit. For courage, they feel it with some place. What we are doing there, we are doing for courage. You know, lead us for no place. The only thing we feed one Petit Frère forget joy. Now when you see I repeat the happy Petit. Petit Frère, Happy Christmas, Happy New Year again, boy. We are together, Petit, you will soon understand. I see village to come out 3,000, 30,000, 20,000 dance happily. They picking away they do the round in the inside. Mommy and Papa they do the round in the inside. Why can we not just shoot on for 2 minutes, solve the problem? Why can we not gather ourselves for our palaces there, talk for picking them, advance ourselves? I come for explain some small thing for the video, my people. I come for talk something again for the video. We cannot be making ourselves to a fools. All man for Cameroon, I don't talk say this thing be start for 2026. Mancho BBC, marginalization. That was the problem with marginalization. Say that they don't abandon Anglophone. But today, social media don't make our we understand say now we elite them. Now then cause the problem. The problem we are facing today is concerning elite. And only for the people my video, I don't explain everything that happened concerning our elite them. They are the causes for all the problems we are facing today. Because no country no feel they talk about peace with not development and security. And secondly, again, I see the intellectual people where they don't say they make peace. How can we make peace where there is no development and security? And if you ever work, and in the master language, what I want to tell me, in my open his head, we but we don't tell you. When injustice become a law, now duty be resistant. Don't mean the little simple way now for resist because when I see to they go on. If we don't go school, we know say when country they on injustice, nothing if you work a fine. Nothing if you work for that country fine. You know if you go for Karawater to Karabash, for you for Calabar broke in pieces, you still continue to go for water. You will come back go find different bucket. You cannot be continue by knowing that nothing if you find for Cameroon. Yes, my people. Then the best thing I come for explain where they find me. Now the message for President Paul Biya. President Paul Biya don't come talk the message. If he come again, concentrate for the youth. Mr. Paul Biya entered for chair for 1982. Now 2016 is now 44 years with the mandate for chair. At least picking them for 44 years, don't they get ground picking them. And Mr. Biya, all he message to today and I say the next position is for the youth. But he don't talk. Mr. Bobby never ever own no contract, my people. I don't make several videos tell you, I say Mr. Bobby never ever own no contract. That's the best president for the world. He own now own. And then the people around here do bad work. He cash and put them for prison on Mansiam. He say when I cash him again, it's enough for cash him because age don't cash him. Mr. Bobby never rule country since 1998. 2000 and something, Mr. Bobby manage because age don't cash him. And he don't tire. Mr. Mbia don't tire. Age don't cash it, but the best president because no contract no the way they talk say way probably the owe. No civil servant no the way they owe ye. All the money for contract it be paid. Decentralization the worker. Yeah, Northwest General Assembly, now they control money for this transition, money for being Northwest. Some people, they were the turn for front. While I'm talking small pastor for team where they don't one. Mr. Ambiana, the good president. He pay all the money, they talk every year. He don't go sing the youth and girls. Young women, now will not tend for start up fight for a right. He don't talk him. He don't talk him. He will come back and do him for now. He will come back, she don't again for now, can't do the work for now youth. Probably will come you could be for on top of Mango Tales, go stand for Junction War. He have given you the liberty. It's digital and transparency. My people, I don't make video tell when I say what's in my people. Image go before statement follow. Image the go before statement the follow. Mr. Ambia, don't talk am. When I cut the images, when I cut the actions, the whole world don't hear the message. A office don't make a me we know say it's possible for succeed. Figure food don't qualify. A coach take team for less than 2 weeks. Gara picking for less than 2 weeks when no one know himself. And then put the rules and regulation for them the beginning to do. Cameroon get the best, one of the best constitution for the world. But all we know is that they're using a high institution. All we know everything will happen for we. If you don't know you're sick, how can you identify your medication? You must know you're sick before finding the medicine. Maybe forget about the character where you get them to complain without doing no action. The problem today concerns the youth. Mr. Ambia, don't talk about youths rise up and take your position. Now, no one's assembling that for una eye. Man will be the work last year, don't fail all your work. Since 2020, when they start paying that money for B Northwest, all of them have failed their job. And they talk about the youth. Ancient, then they for front, they fail. Incompetent people. When I want take, when I rush, don't pay now. See the money when they pay 16 billion for B Northwest again. Now let the failure go continue. How can we continue to repeat that, to be giving the chances to the failures, to the incompetent? My people, na problem go come here on the gankara una youth. Me una join together and then do una work. You never pay the money. Mr. Ambia never pay the money. You them play for village what they call an everyday womb mention. When I senator the state in Germany. Senator when I there for represent the people. They stay in Germany. You were there womb, get the certificate, be barrister, you don't get work. You have no position. But they give position for person in the state abroad. When I see what happen, what's that senator for Menchum Day? When I see what Menchum people to go through, when they give money for digital image for parliamentarian. Parliamentarian can explain for good English, for social measure, digital and transparency. Second may not pay the first installment, it is delay for pay the second installment, but it don't finally pay. The work don't be done? No. But the village parliamentarian, they make project for 2026 money. You don't do it. Now some man who can't tell what my people. Anglophone, if you don't stand up solve the problem, Cameroon can never have a peace. Now Anglophone go solve problem for Cameroon. One of the talented picking for Bamenda, Mr. Mba Erimba, she don't for face Atangan Paul. Atangan Paul, do respect, grand frère. Courage. I know you are from ghetto like me. Thank you, you do some fine thing. You do the best work we never ever do, Mr. Atangan Paul. You give the chance to barrister to explain all the laws. You are the only minister in Cameroon where you give chance for barrister to talk all the truth. After he don't talk all the truth, what he don't change. But he don't talk to Mr. Atangan Paul. Thank you, minister. Thank you. Sometimes open door, make people to explain the truth. Now, Anglophone go bring transparency for Cameroon. If the Anglophone no one solve Anglophone problem, Cameroon can never have peace. Now, from there, when I will not say Anglophone na the Ninton, I brought made the video a long time ago. Now, Anglophone, that Northwest region, I said Northwest region, now the gizzard for Cameroon. This is the truth I'm telling you. This is the truth I'm telling you. My people from Donga Bantum. Minyami Nep don't come for tell on happy Christmas, happy New Year. The man will bring him from Cambe. My people from Wood Division. At least all of you know Minyami Nep. Grand Blaiseau, Le Baron, Le Roi. Now me bring them happy Christmas for my brother. For Boyo, happy Christmas. Happy Christmas and New Year, boy, you people. Ngoketuja, Balikuman, etc. That's where I pass through. That's where I have my information. That's where I have my knowledge. Mention Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. Momo, Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. My people, Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. Mezam, Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. Njini Kombelo, Fundong, Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. For Boyo. That's the 7th division that Norwest have. Where the problem, they'll all be identified. All the division, what call them, get people with the wrong go school. If you cannot explain about your problems, you want to explain about Cameroon problem? Charity begin at home, my people. Charity begin at home. Sweep your front door first before they know if you sweep your front door. Show example for your action before they confirm you. When they complain, they pay the money. When they complain, they pay the money. Now 16 billion that money for 2026. Maui don't fail. He be incompetent. I be H-man. Miss Amber talk about the youth. Miss Amber talking about the youth. Where are you? 43 years coming down. Where are you? 50 years coming down. Where are you people, petit frère? Why are you pretending by suffering? When I don't go so conclusive for village dance. From the third, bomb go start for that village. Who hit the bomb? Not be stranger, now we they hit the bomb. We know ourselves. Happy New Year, my people. Zima small video of account wish Happy New Year. For the loved ones. Miss Ambinlo for Kumbo, Happy New Year. Do respect me. Do respect me. Happy New Year. Thank you. You give me share with for your land. I'm a share with your land. Thank you very much. Phone back for Batibo. Happy New Year, mbe. You give me golden spoon for your land. I stay for your land for 19 years. I never commit no crime. I not do nothing where for go police. 19 good years. I know many things. I know Anglophone problem. I know some certain things. But you see, no man they come. They say we come to go RSC. But the next thing for talk, say what did that man talk every day? I don't care about that. I just serve the living God. I don't tell when I my people Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. This 2026, 1st January. That's Baron Blaze. My problem is to take care for the temple of the Lord. I no come for be or do some kind of, no, I will take care for this king. Very difficult for take care for king. Very costly. My people, Happy New Year. You are the solution to many of our problems. They are pretending for Bamenda. When I be Ambazonia, as when I talk every day. Say Southwest and Northwest the Anglophone. When I be Ambazonia. When problem come up for Southwest, you know concern Anglophone Bamenda. When they chief for Northwest, you know concern Southwest. When mention one thing make go stand for till it don't happen, you know concern different part. How you pretending to be together or you are not together? How you want to separate yourself from people where you will never be together? The Anglophone and Southwest can never ever be one. But in Northwest region today, you are difficult to be one. Difficult me when I understand. For front one are the intellectuals. Then can't take one and bed and put them for auxiliary. I don't think there when I should don't quiet. Now they don't can't take one and bed and put them for politics. The work I call with a land then they say the court not pay for sharing for orphans. How can man go buy land for some land? Tomorrow the man be fun. And then when I talk English, they give reasons. You will come from my village like stranger. And then tomorrow you want to be fun for the land? And government they support you. That's the power of CPDM. I don't beg with my country people. If we are not voting CPDM for the land, we will keep on dancing back dance. Fight we no get here, you no get tea. Every day they keep some more picking them for Norwest. When they keep picking them for 17 years, minus age, minus. When I say they don't keep Ambazonia. When they keep picking them for 20 years for army, 18, 19 years, minus age. When I say they don't keep soldier. How can a minus child go for a war front? My people, is that English? If there is a comprehension on that, a child, a minus go to war front? 20-year child go for war front? It happened for our country. They can't cut killing among children. Picking the kill themselves among everybody. Nobody is talking. Picking for 18, 13 years, 14 years in Ambazonia. Soldier for 18, 19 years na soldier na army. When I don't kill a kelebe. But when I miss general, when I miss, they kill children every day. They send suitcase for money for Norwest. I don't ask one a question, my people. How can a region have civil war for 10 years with a one governor for the very place? One governor where don't stand all control, no one ever come to the field. One governor where the worker, they give medal for the failure and the incompetent. Governor, they give medal for, and go for the tech, and go for the tech, say don't do fan work, say don't do fan work, you don't program for who. You now see the CPDM, they have no person to explain their bad job. As a year they come, they don't get no person to explain for them. They don't get no people for proof. They say, this is my last contract, I done this, I don't do Jiwa, I don't do, no, they take on the sheep. Let's shrine among us. And when I say when I don't go to school, when I say me baron take the bisking, begin from my papa and my mommy, I can't get when I say dog, when I don't kill baron bless. You go kill me, continue my work. Petit frère de Beguna. I don't see plenty when I go to try for block my page. Please, my page is my page. I don't now want to talk for my page, say please don't share, don't like it. If you like me, share them. If you see the thing, fine, like it. But if you don't want, if you get bad, no, don't listen to us for man. Then for come to for the blocker. Yeah, petit frère. I know where plenty when I day, when I work, I bring more. But they don't spend better money say when I for school. But they don't spend money for education. But I wanna be incapable for bury them. When I be incapable for bury when I parents. Mommy die when I no go, bad die when I no go, when I see me more for public. When I talk to this on Monday here. Incompetent children, devil in disguise. And the people go into CBD when I go vote them. Where they don't get feeling for their own blood brothers. What if you have a problem for seeing my page? I can't talk nothing what to go through. But deleting my page, nobody don't come to my mind. This wonder, it is something videos. Where tomorrow they will ask me question, I will explain everything because it's what I am going through. I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to speak the facts and the truth. Happy New Year. Happy 2026. The year of miracle and the year of confession. The year of mortuary death allowance. When I don't forget me too, I go die. I don't tell when I say I live in a per days. I don't get no program for tomorrow. Today may be the last day. Not today will be my last day. I'm a drop project. I'm leaving my retirement. I'm an RGP. I run. I'm not happy where I am. Why? Because of incompetent people. But I don't tell when I'm a people. It's very possible. Samir tell freedom program say, Miss Ambia talk true. Youth can do the job. Youth can do the job. Everybody that take football, they work and cover on a problem. But when they watch the football without commentary, who do that job? It's not a tough to be Cameroonian. When I see the way young Pekin fight, you won. Pekin the fight and means that he won the give result for the country. Not even give result for himself. A tough is not giving that result for himself, for the country. It put smile for people that face. Put joy for people that have. And by the way, now Anglophone they play. Now Bafoot Pekin they do miracle. Some Bafoot children are doing well. Some different Bafoot them decided they don't know Anglophone. We get 2 Bafoot Pekin for presidency. 2 twins. They don't recognize where they're coming from. That's why I'm calling everyday bastard. If you don't know where you're coming from, I always say that you don't know where you're going to. Courage, Anglophone Pekin for national team. Courage. A young, where we miss that goal. Go and make tradition, confession. You are a good player. But in Cameroon, you cannot score. Ask question, you are a graphic Pekin. Face to face, you not fit score. You not fit dribble one person. You are a graphic child. Look your compound where you come from. And you don't do your tradition. You don't do your tradition. Malon comment is true. Malon talk in football career from your quarter, from your people they love you. Petit frère kudos. The truth is the beginning of your problems. Speaking the truth, you are solving million problems. My people, Ethiopians have proven that it's possible to do it. So Ethiopians don't show them say fine. My country people, Happy New Year, big guy. Man, when they stay for London, they give information from Jikwa. For all part for Anglophone side, they give all the information. But they stay from Jikwa. When I see the work for the youth, you have talented youth. Anglophone are talented. Anglophone are talented. Youth stand up and do your job. The country, the worker according to our grandpa their age. On a seen the way Pope the worker. On a seen the way President for Senate. On a seen President for Assembly. Now see the country the worker. There are no moving trains. There's no need to become on speaking good English, shouting for. That's not the problem. When I get 7th division, when I explain when a problem for digital, there is no problem now for social media. You are living a technology life. Now technology every day is upgrade. When I begin for the men for Nokia we don't pass. We don't have for iPhone 17 they go. Technology they go every day when I decision on the world. When angels sit there for some country, forget about fine work. Yes. When I there for some place when I be Ambazonia, some then they suffer, some then they enjoy. But when I don't fight for one causes, but some then they suffer, some then they enjoy. But how manage? We are not together first. What be Ambazonia? A president they pay all on a contract money. They take sorry. Happy New Year, my people. I know well. They pay on a contract money when I year for social media. When I hear for meeting, Parliament read message. They take the money, 15 billion for go for Northwest. You own share for decentralization. When I hear the English, when I complain, they pay the money cash down. Then take the money from the front. Send picking for abroad Canton slavery. They send picking for abroad Canton to live in digital life. No be chocolate. Europe no be bonbon. No be bonbon. Europe no be bonbon. I don't hear over and so what the expensive with the go to for here. It make all man run away from me, but I like them because you come na come. Running away from me don't mean that you are together because you never ever be friend before. I'm not sure you will be friend. I thought something you run. No, you know my friend yesterday. How can you be my friend? Sure, among my friend, how? You will see me, you didn't want to be, you see my friend. You will smoke cigarettes, you see my friend. You will meet up salon, you see my friend. Friend, how? Now, so to make friendship. I am a baron. That the 7th division are giving me all the powers. Have the order ngurusi. There they go manda the bole. There they go manda the bole. As I see my face, I should see. As I see my face, now I should see him. If I die today, I will be very smart in my coffin. Yes, I will be very happy. Because I will get very close. I will get my money go buy my coffin. My money if you carry my coffin, work up for 10 countries. Say baron on that for 10 countries. My money if you rent jet plane for work at my corpse before go put them for play the open day. I'm not a poor man. I'm not talking to take you to motivate you. I'm talking about what I am going through, my people. Happy New Year. Yes. But si una, Samia don't prove for we. Say it's possible. Miss Samia don't talk is youth. My country people are youth. Monday for London, the youth and message Munjikwa. You are not able to get information for your quarter. You are not able to know your problem for your compound. How you want to talk, you say you go keep people, you go now, mama, no man, you are wasting your time. Time is money, man. You are wasting time behind. Say I wanna go come, what me I come? Yes. And if you pretend to be together, let's solve our problem. Yes. No the mayor then waiting there for chair today. We not know for our mind. I don't get time for can't again. This is a new year, my own new year message now. When I know for our mind, say no one of that mayor no go stand for the next election. When I put them for our mind from now. Say city mayor for Bamenda. Where in a city mayor, he never do no contract. Now the supply petrol. He found the supply petrol. Man when they begin 5 francs don't be in church. Be has. He the control billion. When you want enter for that work, he need to get 1 million capital. When I live on the time go come. I don't tell you the secret, my people. Message again, my message for New Year. My wishes for my people. God they keep me Zambia, may all my open eye. God they keep President Pobia, may all my open eye. See the people they do wrong thing. When I see man for 1 day here, if in an AI as they talk, they don't stand for up talk. I don't give the information, but man let me a year. I don't hear information for Pobia today for more than 40 years. What I hear information. All the things that they very talk, youth. I go do so. They say, oh, you don't do it, I don't give the money. When they pay the money for the hand, they say France they do so. America they do so. French people they full Cameroon. But when the money they do for their pocket, they come for what a Prado le drop that Prado we can go. Call una fools. Call una terrorists. With una money for their pocket. Money for their development. Money for their development for their pocket. Money for development for year by year, they for the pocket. And all wanna know my people. Why are we fooling ourselves pretending that you are happy? Samir Eto don't prove and say it's possible. Samir Eto don't prove and say it's possible. The youngest bâtonnet, Mba don't prove and say it's possible. Mba don't go talk other things, so we don't talk to the Wakashi. It's a digital and transparent message. Thank you, Mr. Atanganjipo. You open door there, you say, do the work. He talk am. That's how Anglophone get for unite. When I don't go be Anglophone, the work I follow now. Atanganjipo don't work, you correct. When I talk, when I see whether that man they sleep. When I check whether that man they sleep. You don't do your best mate with it. How you go be a truck pusher? Then go give you 70 stamina driver. You more green because you're hungry. It's not your job. I can't put down to be work. You don't try your best to take correct. Thank you, Atamanjipo, for giving that chance for Barrister to speak the truth. Thank you. Things are coming behind. Thank you. I bet a traditional name will get power for man on land. Papa, Fru Angwa for the death. Pa, I beg we don't tire. Look at what we work. She don't take paper and pen. We will go fix 3-room class, pushing, send at 19 point something million. You will buy computer, buy Chinese kaku, Chinese thing them, where they put them for Korea, they blow, you put 30 million. Now the system that for CPDM, they are fooling you people. You go take 1 million, then cut them, can't give 30 million. You cut and go give 7 million. They are fooling you people because I named them for voucher. Pa, President Pobia, don't talk say, me the youth then start of work. Mr. Angwa for the tech, Professor Fru Angwa for the tech, please give the position for decentralization for Northwest for youth. Give that position for young talent, vibrant people. Mr. Fru Angwa for the tech, you are tired, enjoy your tradition. Help your small brother for make me culture worker. You don't tire, give the position for youth. You to gather money for decentralization. Go to show they award them. Some few people they for cry with a smile. Wait for your man can land all man the vex. Picking them, they keep picking and saying that picking for bush. Bush there for Northwest. They keep picking all the powerful and go for tree. You see them? If you don't take on the picking and saying for Europe, they go on fools. We don't know punish people that picking them for water. Because it simply say when I don't fail for educating our children. Don't you say for key all my picking them. All picking them for Northwest, not drug addict, not picking them for civil servant. Picking with a small drop for Northwest, work and naked, not picking them for civil servant. Magistrates, state council, councillors, taxation, not picking them. They work at empty crew, the small drug. Poor man picking take money for that bad drug. Now when I bad money, when I go take and go spoil on a family, that was my first video. When you take bad government money come to your family, it will destroy all your. That's my first video. 2009. It did for my page, my first video with that. I don't like to repeat my video. I give again special thank you. Manlen Galajerat. That's the work of the youth. That's the work of the youth. If you come today for Northwest, we don't talk about Mayor. You see Mayor Shea from Campbell. He's doing a great job. He's doing. I know say when 10 people there, 1, 2 do fine work, 8 not do fine work, they go install and all them. When bear them there for Northwest, when 3 bear them make error, the coach will all bear them. Why? Because some of us we get bad number for our mind with mine. When I begin identify when I insult. Where see some man go coach Baron Bless, you are wasting your precious time. Yeah, all we get a very problem. We don't educate people and send them for school. Send people for school, they go graduate. But what they have in their mind today is money and sex. They have no feeling for parents. Happy New Year again. Happy New Year for my family. For my own brother and sister, etc. Happy New Year for family for Camdemshan. Happy New Year for the family for Mama Chrissy Benadet. Thank you for all of you. I am one of you. When I say I'm one of them, what do you mean by one of them? I'm one of them too, now my family. When you hear one of them, ask the question. When I say my papa that left me 11 billion, ask the question. Look my physical appearance. Would I know if I 11 billion first before? Ask question. That's simple truth. When I left that global judgment, all man when I done man, fool become done man. Why? Except for be done man, because don't go to Wumbanga, be should be done man. Sumuki and Banga have a game, no be problem. I go for some mission, some office for you. I argue a question. Whether the coach African, I can't make them the reason. and make her all white and she don't quiet. How can you call African man poor? There'll never ever be a poor African. They never ever have poor African for my eyes. The system of education turn our children to be fools. The system for education with the teachers today for our picking them. We receive for 2025, we receive 10 learn our picking and white man kaku. Who ran the war, who shoot the devil, who do this is the system of education we have today. Our children are not educated. If they move English for people that are mob, say any man talk, you come to talk, all the intellectual today will be illiterate. If they see me, any man come back for you come to talk today. When I say the people who go to school all go turn fools. Because they talk in a foreign language. They know they talk, they understand. They are not understanding what they are saying in English. Because many of them are fighting to solve Cameroon problem without talking about their own personal problem. My people, Happy New Year again. Mama, Mama, Papa, Happy New Year. I love all of you. The my few times where the creator for talk now love. Now love. God be say, take care for the temple of the Lord. Though as I take care for my skin, I'm going to try to for talk one talk. It is some people. So my picking the deny, my picking the coach me, etc. Hey, you know, concern me. You are talking your own. If I be talking nothing where you to go through for vex for me, I don't nothing where I to go through. You go to Zembe thing where you to go through. Don't forget to say, hey, God don't like talk the truth. You can't coach me the question again. How? Where you to go through the problem? But don't tell you now. I'm not making video to motivate you. I'm talking the facts and the truth. My people, we don't know if she don't for a region. Miss Ambia, they pay all money, pay all the money, so they take voucher. Social media talker. When I see she don't get for phone television, say, Pobia na bad place. No, Pobia own her all. Na picture. A man of 1 year cannot identify your own problem because the shit you don't know, it the piece you don't know, it age. You think they don't come off about when you see her. When I feel like she don't think about come, think about do about 7 guys, you go think how. When you get your full sense, you know think. Now man for 1 year go think am. Probably I don't old. I ain't no day for chair again. I picture the work. You never found no government because you don't know nobody. Minister they die, no man to replace her. They come to something minister. When I go see Atanji Pop because I want to last cocoa. Atanji Pop can't tell when in those days, 2017, say Anglophone don't have problem. The whole Cameroon have the very problem. It's English. May you put them for your own way. When I vex. When I vex. If you say go to say, they never hear no man. They can't talk say hear all man. Each don't quiet. You don't answer. You go for give money for pop. When I talk, each don't quiet. You know when you talk to Atanji Pop, you don't quiet. That's the simple truth. Now graphic picking. No matter all the Lucifer system, you say get that gene for graphic for your skin. You talk say be banker. When I come up for your skin, say it be banker. But forget it to talk your own. You be who? You be who? You the just person where you don't know about yourself. Anglophone let you our mentality. You are the solution to many of our problems. My people, Happy New Year. My loving one, Happy New Year. I pray and I say, may you not get peace. That's why the year long life, prosperity, money. How you know, get no ambition. Man can pray for you, say, long life, prosperity, and money. You know, a job fine, you live where. They can't also they pray me you get more money wait for 9. You don't get no employment, you don't get no work. You don't get nothing for sale. They pray me you get money for 2, which means that's not prayers, man. I pray me when I get health. I pray me when I get peace. I pray me the manners from heaven come make me we live democracy and sovereignty. I pray me Lucifer me Chiroma come move Lucifer for chair. Lucifer na Pobia, Chiroma na devil, all convict. You go come to take him, you go see movie because you don't old. We need moving train for Cameroon. Chiroma na bridge for moving train. Chiroma na bridge, Chiroma come to na bridge for help you for can't take a position. That's simple truth. Let's forget about English speaking, grammatology, 2026 no sentiment. You know the phone house, your pa never chop, your mommy get problem, your sister there for prison, your brother don't die. You come out to grammar for street me probably go. What kill them? You don't know who kill them? When I come up from a village 30,000, when I don't know the people inside una. When I don't know power when I picking the Amazonia. What I don't talk for pass a call picking put them from the thing end. Better to go where to go. They sing from bed they dance after the run palace. Aye, sorry. I don't get up to talk about bed, but I don't talk true. Many are coffee are choosing. We know many CPG embed the way they are among we. Many CPG embed and they inside we. But the way they be created by CPG. They are not bad. Now what are they fear for 20 for them because the 20 would die because they are not qualified to win bed. My people, one love. Happy Christmas. Together you can make it. Now Manu appeared on this arena 2026 like small boy, like a nice small boy. My way no any problem. I did me one. I know why. I don't get reason to. I don't know the reason for me to be me one. Why educate picking them, do all things for them. Why they for be me one? Why make a picking a ton millionaire? Why Baron Blake will be you one today? Don't pick it away, but they can't chop Christmas New Year for my house. Don't forget. If you can't chop for my house, you are not be there. Now you don't get your own. Call me to me, I can't chop number. How you go chop, get money, get advantage. That way my own don't finish as we talk. You don't get your own. When you call me, I can't chop. Now be Banzi, I forget about you. You are together. I love all of you. Go now remember. All of you, the old Baron Blaze, you the old temple. I sacrifice too much to give you now, to give you now upside, to give you now light. I sacrifice plenty. Me wanna see the root. All of you now wanna remain that mob. Baron Blaze sacrifice too much for showing the root for money. But I know be there now. The use for the money. I know be there now because I be too stubborn. One love. 2026, we are together.